Well, now the question says simplifying the following complex fractions. Okay, so now let's do one. It's one is 2 plus 1 over x over 1 over x squared. So we will first write them with a single fraction. Okay, like over here, the denominator is 1. We need to make it the denominator common, the denominator common. So our terms here by x, our terms here also by x. And then this will be 2x over x plus 1 over x. Okay, all over 1 over x squared. Remember, when you add fractions, we find the LCM, okay? And then once we find the LCM, we don't add the denominator, only the numerator. So this will be equal to 2x plus 1 over x over 1 over x squared. Now, there is another property in math that says, like, when we divide two fractions like this, a fraction over another fraction, okay, is equal to the first fraction, a over b, multiplied by the inverse of the other fraction, d over c. So we will multiply this. This will be equal to, so now be equal to 2x plus 1 over x, okay, multiplied by x squared over 1, okay? So now when we multiply this, you note that x squared here is just x times x, okay? So we can simplify this with that, and then we have left with, it's gonna be like 2x plus 1 multiply, okay, by x. Use brackets here because this x will multiply all the terms here. So this will be, it's over 1 now. It's over 1. Now this will be 2x squared plus x. I don't need to write over 1. You can just leave the answer like that. Over 1 means it's just without a denominator. Okay, now we can also do question 2. Question 2 says x minus 9. Okay, I think, no, let's just do question 2. It's 3 minus x minus 9 over x all over x minus 3, okay? So over here, let's first simplify the fraction here. It will be equal to 3 minus, over here the denominator is just 1. So to combine the middle terms with terms here by x, with terms there also by x, then this will become x squared over x minus 9 over x over x minus 3. Now, this will make, maybe let's just move it like previous work. This will be then 3 minus, okay. I think I need space. Hold I need to erase these. So this will be like 3 minus, there is going to be x squared minus 9 over x all over x minus 3. Now we can apply that property we mentioned here, this property, we can apply it here. Understand that the first, we have two fractions here. This is a fraction. Even this is a fraction because it has an invisible denominator of 1 there. So it will be then 3 minus x squared minus 9 over x multiplied by 1 over x minus 3. Okay, then we can continue this is going to be like 3 minus x squared minus 9. Okay, when you see x squared minus 9 here, understand that 9 is a square number. So it's like 3 squared. We can apply here the difference of 2 squares. Let me remind, it says like when we have like a squared minus b squared, this is equal to a minus b times a plus b, okay? So we're going to apply this property of difference of 2 squares here. It's going to be x minus 3 in the bracket like that, and then x plus 3 all over x multiplied by 1 over x plus minus 3. Now, this part is a product, okay? This part here is a product. When we multiply fractions, we don't multiply we don't find a common denominator, okay? We can just simplify x minus 3 and x minus 3 there, okay? And this will be equal to 3 minus x plus 3 over x, okay? And then the denominator here was 1. So we times here by x, we times there by x, okay? That will make 3x over x minus x plus 3 over x. Then we can combine the numerator because the denominator now is common. If you combine the numerator, it's going to be like 3x minus x minus 3, okay, because this negative sign here will minus everything there. Negative x and then minus 3 all over x, and then 3x minus x makes 2x minus 3 over x. Okay, thank you.